Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Zelle on the Capital One app. First, open the Capital One mobile app on your phone and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on your checking account from the main screen. Look for the option that says Send Money with Zelle and tap on it. If this is your first time using Zelle, you will need to enroll. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure your mobile number or email is correct. After you are set up, you can start sending money. Tap on the Send button. Then choose Add a new recipient. Enter the recipient's name carefully. After that, type in their U.S. mobile number or email address. Make sure this information is correct because the money will go directly to that person. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. You can also add a short note or memo if you want to explain what the payment is for. Once everything looks good, review the details on the screen. To complete the transfer, slide to confirm the payment. In some cases, you may be asked to enter a one-time passcode. This code is usually sent to your phone or email for security. Enter the code to finish the process. The money is usually sent within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle. Thanks for watching.